Real life trading nation, family, team, friends, and followers. How are you? Thank you so much for watching this video, and we want to wish you here at Real Life Trading a very Merry Christmas and an extremely amazing set of holidays for you and your beautiful family. This is Richard Branson's family, and I want to say for you who are watching this video, thank you for being a part of our mission. We really are impacting so many lives, and we really are carrying on such a wonderful foundation and an opportunity of creating change and impactful memories and moments for people all over the globe. Check out these two testimonials right here. So, my friends, thank you for being a part of this. You are absolutely stunning, beautiful, and incredible, and love you all.
Hey guys, Matt DeLong here. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays.
Hey everybody, especially those brave men and women who are serving their countries overseas that are away from their families. All the Guarcos are wishing you the very best and the happiest holidays.
Hey, Kristin here. I just want to wish everybody a happy holiday and Merry Christmas and just a time filled with love.
Ali and I just wanted to wish everyone at RLT a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi everybody, wishing you and your family a wonderful holiday season. May you have a fantastic Christmas and a wonderful 2021. May it be filled with love, laughter, happiness, abundance, and hundreds of thousands of R's.
Hi everyone. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to Jeremy and Matt for all they do for the company and all the moderators with all the brilliant content they produce. Happy Christmas from me and all my family in Spain and in the UK. Either?
Merry Christmas.
Take care, guys.
Merry Christmas, RLT. Happy trading.
What's up, real life traders? It's Robert Falco here. Just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Hey traders from around the world, it's Tracy here, and I just wanted to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, and I look forward to seeing you in 2021.